Ladies and gents, hello and welcome to Crypto Space. Today we are diving deep into the world of physical crypto wallets with the Tangem Wallet. But before we unbox this sleek piece of technology, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest content. So what's exactly the Tangem Wallet? Well, think of it as your vault for your digital assets. It's not just an ordinary wallet, it's a game changer in the world of cryptocurrency storage. Let's explore why. First off, let's talk security. With Tangem, your private keys are stored securely offline, meaning they are immune to hacking attempts and online threats. This adds an extra layer of protection to your valuable crypto holdings, giving you peace of mind knowing that your assets are safe and sound. Another standout feature of the Tangem wallet is its ease of use. Just tap it against your smartphone or tablet and voila! You're ready to make transactions on the go. No need for complicated setups or technical know-how. It's that simple. Whether you are buying coffee at your favorite coffee shop or shopping online, the Tangem wallet makes it effortless to use your cryptocurrencies in the real world. Plus, its sleek and compact design makes it the perfect companion for your everyday adventures. But wait, there is more. Tangem goes above and beyond to ensure that you have all of the resources you need to make the most out of your wallet. From comprehensive user manuals to responsive customer support, they've got your back every step of the way. What I also like is the fact that the company located a special security foam that prevents compromising the wallet during delivery by scanning it through the box, which adds a special layer of security to the whole pack. Now, you might be wondering, is the Tangem wallet right for me? Well, if you are serious about safeguarding your digital assets and embracing the future of finance, then the answer is yes. Whether you are a seasoned crypto veteran or just dipping your toes into the world of blockchain, Tangem offers a user-friendly solution that's perfect for everyone. Now, let's have a look at their website. Slim as bank card, secure as bank vault. Store, buy, earn, transfer and swap thousands of coins and tokens. Tangem is redefining the wallet experience by delivering top-level security, simplicity, and accessibility. Enjoy complete autonomy and independence while managing your assets with a single tap. Tangem Wallet breaks down the barriers for crypto newcomers and enhances the custodial experience for advanced users. During the activation process, the card's embedded chip generates a random private key, ensuring that the wallet cannot be compromised. A Tangem wallet set can contain up to 3 Tangem cards. You get 3 equal cards to one wallet, just like having 3 identical keys to your room door. And I do have a special edition of the white one, as you saw. Let's have a look at their smart bank app. The chip in the card generates a random private key which never gets exposed. The card establishes a secure connection with each other and transfer your encrypted private keys. Keys are stored on the 3 cards with no other copies to be found across space and time. As we can see over here, they also offer biometric security and access code protection, so that is very good. That obviously adds an extra layer of protection. And what I also like about Tangem Wallet is the fact that you can swap, buy and sell crypto, and as we can see over here, we can earn in the future. So that is going to be an interesting feature on Tangem. Obviously, Tangem doesn't only support Kaspa, it supports a lot of different cryptocurrencies. So as we can see over here, I'm going to type Kaspa, for example, and as we can see, we have full Kaspa support. But of course, if you would like to store something else than Kaspa, you can just simply type your cryptocurrency over here and check if there is a support with Tangem. And now let's have a look at their chip. So there are basically the features. The highest chip security standard, EAL6+. Maximum resistance to dust, water and temperature extremes from -25 to 50 degrees Celsius. Environmental protection, resistance to X-rays, electromagnetic pulses and electrostatic discharge. Just a chip with an antenna, no points of vulnerability or elements that are prone to failure. Counterfeit protection. The app verifies the authenticity of both the chip and the firmware. And of course, it's always ready to go. And if you are going to use my promo code, you can receive a 10% discount. So I do believe that is a good deal. Ladies and gents, thank you very much for watching that video. That's it for today. And I am going to see you in the next one. Peace and love, crypto.